Hey, this is Steven from LegitTechTutorials, and I would like to give you guys an update on the channel. So I have been away doing some other things for a few months now, and what I wanted to do was I wanted to integrate what I was been doing for the last few months and what I'm going to be doing from now on with the channels, so I could have continual content developed on the channel. So if you don't know, which you probably don't because I never told you guys, but I also run a new small business called the Green Engineers, in between school, because I'm also a full-time student at San Jose State University for mechanical engineering. So I do this on the weekends and over the breaks. I work on a small business called the Green Engineers. The Green Engineers is a company that develops products as well as machines and tools that reduce, reuse, and recycle. Different things like polymers and stuff like that. Big into 3D printing and recycling. So I've been doing that for the last year or so. And what I wanted to do was because on the Green Engineers I do a lot of open source stuff. So what I wanted to do is, since I'm going to release it anyways, I might as well show the development process of the products that I launch. So I would like to do the tutorial series on LegitTechTutorials for the Green Engineers products that are open source, as well as other projects on the side. So for example, there's a product my first product is called the Multi-Shooter, which is a DIY, like really garage built style filament maker. So it extrudes filament to use on a 3D printer. It's made out of like pipe and steel, and it's run by an Arduino Mega, so it's all Arduino programmed. So it's a combination. It's a mechatronics, which is basically my emphasis, which is robotics, or another way to think about it is mechanical machine controlled by electronics. So robotics, I guess you could say, or mechatronics. I usually use mechatronics instead of robotics because it just kind of, you see a different thing. Cause it's a piece of manufacturing equipment, which is technically mechatronics. It's mechanical machine controlled by electronics to do its job. Okay. So it would be something like that, but done in a series. The development done on a series on LegitTechTutorials before launch. So there will be, so that's the idea. I'm going to try this and see how it works out. I have high hopes for this project that you guys could come along with designing some products. Not any sort of like the past on my series where it was just like a test run, like a arbitrary example of something. Instead, this is a real life product that will be launched, of course at my discretion, to the public to use for profit. So it's not a trial run of anything. This is going to be released and it's going to be used and it is real. So add a little bit more realism to the channel as far as designing products that use multidisciplinary topics, such as, like I said, programming, mechanical design, CAD design, wiring, electronic engineering, fluids sometimes, fluid dynamics, and so designing a product that uses all those types of interdisciplinary, which is how it goes down in real life. Of course, you would have more than one person developing it. You would have a team, but in this case, most of the time I develop stuff myself. Okay, so there's going to be some rules on this. One being that if it is a more hush-hush product, like a larger product, which I do have a few coming up later on in the next couple of years, what I'll do is I will film it beforehand, but I will release the videos after the product launch. So after the product's launched, I will release the videos. For larger products that I'm worried about, giving away details early. Is release beforehand, before launch. So I have one coming up for something called the dimensional control and spooler for the multi-extruder itself. It is a cool little robotics piece or mechatronics module that measures wire and pulls molten filament to get the right size, whatever diameter you want. So we'll give this a try for the new revamped portion of the channel, where we have real products and real tutorials to develop something that someone could use, and also gives value to people, otherwise known as, is for profit, gives value. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope this works out and you guys enjoy it, and hopefully keep working on this channel and keep growing it to be a really great project. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in later series, and I'll catch you guys later. Thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace.